Hi, and welcome to Contexture's training video series on BillWatch, our legislative tracking solution. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of setting up your user profile with industry terms and concepts that define your areas of interest. This will seed the Contexture recommendation engine with enough information to start suggesting documents that are relevant to you. The first time you log in after signing up, you will be presented with a list of topical categories for the industry that you selected during the registration process. Each of these categories represents a collection of related concepts in the dictionary. Select the topics of interest to you. You may select as many as you want, and you can always return to this screen to change your selections later. Once your categories are selected, click Next, and the application takes us to the dashboard. Every time you navigate to the dashboard, your recommendations are refreshed. Content in the Contexture repository is constantly updating as legislators add and revise their bills. Our recommendations are always generated on the fly to reflect the latest information in the repository. Here we can see the bills that are most relevant given our topic selections. In addition to some status fields telling us about each bill, the title field is a link that will take us to the full text of the document. On the upper left of the dashboard, we see our selected dictionary categories as well as a link to change our category selections. Clicking on one of these categories brings us to a list of concepts under that category. By default, all concepts in the category are selected, but we can narrow our terms of interest by turning on or off individual concepts. In this case, we'll click the checkbox above the first item in the list to deselect all of the concepts, and we will then just turn on a couple of individual ones. Note that some concepts may be listed under multiple categories, so there is some overlap across the categories. Once we're satisfied with our concept selections for this category, we're going to click Save, and we'll be returned to the dashboard. Notice that our recommendations are refreshed again to reflect our latest dictionary selections. Finally, from the dashboard, we can click on the Select New Category link to return to the category selection page where we can change our dictionary categories or add new ones. This concludes our training session. We've covered how to select dictionary categories, how to select the individual concepts of interest within a category, and viewing our document recommendations on the dashboard. Thanks for watching.